Hello and welcome guys to another Python tutorial. Forgive me if I didn't upload any videos sooner or soon enough, because I was busy for my second channel, getting it started and everything, my gaming channel. So yeah, a little bit of this and a little bit of that would be great. I mean, gaming and programming. Yeah, so let's get started. First, let's identify what are dictionaries. Dictionaries are like variables, but with multiple variables inside it. So don't freak out yet. So let's type in dictionaries and _1, so it won't get us confused. But remember, this one could be a variable. Maybe I could put 1. This one is a variable. But the thing with dictionaries is there are between curly brackets. So I can type in like my channel goes G1, and then I separate it with a colon. Let's give another variable. Let's say G1, and then if I want to put another variable in it, or maybe another anything you want, so maybe another name, and associate with that name some number or another name. So I could put in here your name and in here your last name, so whenever I type in your name, your last name will show up instantly. So let's put another variable in there with a separated with a comma. So this one is the first variable, and let's try yeah, my gaming channel. Let's say Ghost G1 Gaming, and then let's put a comma, a colon in it. So and let's give it, this time let's give it a number. Okay, it's not a string. So how to print this dictionary? So it's so easy, and remember, I'm on Python 3.4, so it's a little bit different in the print function, but the dictionaries and how do they work, it's exactly the same like Python 2.7. So let's try to print it. Yeah, and let's type in dictionary _1, and let's see what happens. It will print the whole dictionary. Goes G1, yeah, and then goes G1 Gaming. It's 20. So let's try to maybe tell the program to output a specific variable, or a specific I'm lost of words right now. Let's tell him to give us a specific, maybe if I type in your name, it will get me your last name, or if I type in your last name, it will get me your name. So let's type in here Ghost G1. So it will instantly tell me the number or the string or the symbol associated with this Ghost G1. So let's start it. Okay, now it says G1, and it's correct, it's G1. So let's say I wanted gaming in here, Ghost G1 Gaming. It will give me 20. It's a number, so it will not differentiate between number or symbol or a string. So feel free to exercise this one. So another thing to add, as I mentioned before, it's like a list. So we can add things, and we can update things, and we can delete things. So in here, let's, for the purpose of this tutorial, let's just add something meaningless like age, and then let's give it I don't know, just a number. So let's try 25. Okay, so it will work also if I've done this. It will tell me 25, but if I wanted maybe a year later, I wanted to update the age. So what I need to do is just sorry for that, just type in the dictionary, or the name of the dictionary, and then let's associate, sorry for that guys, dictionary 1 between open brackets, and let's type in age. Where the heck did you come from? So yeah, and let's type in age. After typing age, the variable in this dictionary receives what? So it will receive a number which is 26, and then let's put a semicolon in here. Okay, and let's try our luck this time. So this time I didn't give him anything to put out, so I need to type in print, and the same thing as it happened before, or as I typed before, dictionary underscore 1, and then between open brackets let's say age. So as you may notice, the first one is 25 and the second one is 26, so it got updated. So the other thing we want to do is add to this dictionary. So let's try to print the full dictionary first and see it, and then let's add to the dictionary as we have done in the first in the updating of the age. We will do the same thing, but with a new variable this time. So we done Ghost G1, Ghost G1 Gaming, and age, and let's say the year. Okay, maybe the year, I don't know why, but let's say it's year, it's 2017. Okay, and with a semicolon exactly same. So let's hit enter, and then let's do print the full dictionary as before, and let's try out. Okay, you can see that the year has been added into our dictionary. So let's say I want to wipe out this whole dictionary, not wipe out the whole dictionary, maybe let's wipe out the age. Maybe I felt it's not necessary or something. So the reason why I'm keeping this script and I'm not deleting it, because you will see with me the changes of one dictionary with different script codes in here. So let's try to delete it. So as I mentioned before, let's try to delete something. So maybe one of you will try to will mention this thing. He will say, hey Ghost, why don't I just write down, hey Ghost, why won't I just write down the name of the dictionary and then associate to it nothing, just like that, and then save it and run it, and I'll say you'll be perfectly right, because it's the same thing. But in my case, I wanted to delete one thing which is not necessary in the dictionary. not the whole dictionary. If I felt that the whole dictionary is unnecessary, I'll wipe it like so. So let's try it, and then we will find an empty curly bracket, yeah, which tells us the dictionary has been wiped out. So let's avoid dealing with this one, and let's just try to delete one variable, which I said it's age. So let's try it. So let's use the function delete. Yeah, please do not get confused, because this function is a built-in function in Python. You'll just type it, and then you'll type in the dictionary, and then you type in the word. Okay, so let's write in age, and then let's print the whole dictionary once again, and then let's try to run it. As you can see, the age has no existence in the last dictionary output. So our work has been successful. So if I wanted to remove all the entries in the dictionary, so I'll do this thing: dictionary underscore 1 dot clear. Yeah, now run the program another time, and as you can see, it's empty. So there's another trick also, which will tell you, as I said before, it's not like dictionary and associate with it an empty bracket, but this time it's like delete, but we will delete the whole dictionary. We will not associate an age or something unnecessary. We want to delete everything. So let's see now. Dictionary. The reason why I'm typing in here, because we have cleared the whole dictionary in here. So I want to add at least one variable so we can verify. So let's see, subscribe. Yeah. Subscribe, and then equals, and then yeah. And let's put in the semicolon that I said before, and then let's print out the dictionary, because I want to know if it has written or not. So let's try it another time. Okay, now I have put in a problem, because dictionary number 1 is not identified, and sorry for that, but I have to put in another dictionary. So or let's call it the same dictionary, but an empty one, like this. So let's try to run it now. Subscribe, yeah. So this function didn't work because there are no dictionary. So the when we go to the exceptions, dictionary underscore 1 is not identified because I cleared it from the script totally. So if we say print dictionary 1 with me deleting this thing, it will have the same exception. Yeah, error, name dictionary 1 is not defined. So uh, that's it for the whole dictionary tutorial. So yeah, and I'll leave you with this last word: practice makes perfect. So practice, 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 and thank you, and see you in another Python tutorial.